Rumors have been circulating in Europe that the CB1000R will undergo a complete overhaul in 2024. The new model appears to be a road fighter based entirely on the engine of the 2017 CB1000R model, and it looks like the roadmap will be a lot changed compared to the previous Neo Sports Cafe concept. In Europe, there is a strong tendency to emphasize performance even on naked bike models, and the next CB1000R will be reborn as a street fighter with extreme riding capabilities. The naming is expected to be CB1000 Hornet, following the launch of the CB750, and this will be the second version of the Hornet branding to be revived. It looks like it will be released in Japan in 2024. The rumored CB1000 Hornet this time seems to be the successor to the CB1000R, returning to the origins of the street fighter design concept. Also, from now on, the engine is based on the 2017 CB1000RR model, Type SC77, and the performance seems to be significantly updated compared to the CB1000R. The CBR1000RR SC77 type engine produces a maximum power of 192 HP, so even though it is tweaked to look like naked, the power is still more than enough. In addition, electronic control systems, such as traction control using the IMU, are also important, and expectations of potential upgrades to overcome strong competitors are increasing. The images in this content were published when Honda filed for a patent. A road fighter powered by a 4-cylinder engine, Honda has filed a small wing patent using this illustration. This could be a design concept for the new CB1000 Hornet. The CB1000 Hornet appears to be based on the 2017 CBR1000RR, which is said to feature a spoiler in line with the supernaked concept, presumably to further improve performance. The wings are installed to provide downforce to improve stability when running straight at high speed and cornering. In Europe, road fighters based on high-performance superbikes were introduced. Representing this is the Ducati Street Fighter V4, 208 horsepower despite being naked and equipped with 4 left and right wings. In addition, BMW also has a product line M1000R with the name M for Naked 2023.